Cheap Family, and today we're traveling to Tree Hill Nature Center in Jacksonville, Florida.
Start your visit of Tree Hill at the Visitor Center. There's lots of cool displays inside.
The Visitor Center has stuffed and live animals.
I like being able to touch everything.
We had fun with the goats.
I like all the live animals here.
Don't miss the butterfly house. You can see beautiful butterflies and chrysalids.
Tree Hill Nature Center runs educational programs for local schools, but families are welcome too.
That makes for a marsupial. She is the cousin to the kangaroo. They're the only North American marsupial, the opossum is.
You have to cross the busy streets to go to and from the different feeding places.
Over 10,000 kids visit the Tree Hill Nature Center every year.
Next, we hit the tree-shaded trails for an easy hike.
Make sure you pick up a trail guide so you can read all about the plants and trees along the trail.
A. Longleaf pine. The longleaf pine is the most numerous.
Tree Hill covers 50 acres and 3 ecosystems.
Beautiful trail.
Look at this. Nice day for a hike.
Who knew such a beautiful place existed in a big city like Jacksonville?
Come see what the Nature Center has to offer and connect with nature.
It's close by,
Inexpensive,
Educational.
And fun.
from Tree Hill Nature Center in Jacksonville, Florida, this is how a cheap family travels. Go take a hike!